After watching this training video, please do the relevant exercise to complete the training. Exercise are available in the VISKAR customer portal. VISKAR has 4 types of snap options. They are the guideline snap, the grid snap, the object snap and the bar snap. These snap options can be found under the Snap tab. Let us now see a brief demonstration about the various snap options available. The guideline snap allows the user to snap on the guidelines drawn. Snap near point, snap end point, snap midpoint, snap intersection point, snap parallel, and snap perpendicular are the snap options available for guidelines. I simply select them to turn on the respective snap options. I now draw 2 guidelines intersecting each other. Now you can see that the end points, near points, the midpoints and the intersection points of the guidelines are shown when the mouse cursor is moved through these points to draw a new guideline. Now I want to draw a guideline exactly parallel to a line. I activate the Snap Parallel option and select the Polyline command. Then I select the first point for the new line and drag the cursor anywhere to the already existing line. You can see a reference line from the given start point. Just click to finish the process and now a line parallel to the existing line is drawn. Similarly, a perpendicular line can be drawn using the Snap Perpendicular option. Please note that the Snap Parallel and the Snap Perpendicular options should not be activated together. To deactivate a snap option, simply select on the respective snap option again. The grid snap allows the user to snap on the grids. Grid snap near point, grid snap midpoint, grid snap intersection point, snap on work plane and snap freehand are the snap options available for the grid system. To turn on these snap options, just click on their respective icons. Select the Polyline command and move the cursor around the grid. You can see that the intersection points, midpoint, and the near points in the grids are highlighted, thus allowing the user to draw lines only on these points. Snap on work plane allows the user to only snap around the plane that is worked on. Snap on work plane can be well understood when learning about the object snap options. The snap freehand allows the user to draw anywhere around the template. Snap freehand can also be selected by right-clicking the mouse when the Polyline command is active, and selecting the freehand option. The object snap is used to snap around an object. An object can be snapped on the object's vertex, the mid-edge, edge, on the object's face and face mid. I now draw an object as a reference to show you how the object snap options work. To activate the object snap, select the respective snap icons. You can see that the object's vertex points, edge points, the mid-edge, the face, and the face mid can now be snapped when using the Polyline command. To deactivate the snap, simply select the respective snap icons again. Now, you have learned about the object snap options. Learning about the snap on work plane will now be easier to understand. The snap on work plane when activated allows the user to only snap on the plane on which the object lies. You can see the object cannot be snapped elsewhere except the plane on which it lies. The respective object snap options must be activated to snap on the respective points of the object. The ortho snap is used to snap orthogonally in the X, Y, and the Z axis. I now draw polylines orthogonally to the X, Y, and the Z axis. The ortho snap is also possible by pressing and holding the Shift key. The Ortho Track options allows the user to track the guideline orthogonally. The snap dimension shows an angular and linear reference scale to exactly draw to specific dimensions. I now select the polyline command and select the first point of the line. You can see a linear reference scale and an angular reference scale. Just select the second point of the line to the required dimensions. You can now see a polyline is drawn using the snap dimension option. The bar snap when activated allows the user to snap on the rebars. I draw an object with rebars to show you how the bar snap works. Bar snap works only when the objects are converted to wireframe. To convert an object to a wireframe, select the object and right-click the mouse. Now, select Convert to Wireframe option. You can see that the object is now converted to a wireframe. Now using the Linear Dimension option from the Edit tab, we can snap the dimensions accurately for the bars. To know the distance between two bars, I select the Linear Dimension option and select the center of the first bar. You can see the highlighted word bar snap. Now select the center of the second bar and choose the position for the dimension to be placed. The spacing between these two bars are now displayed accurately. Thank you for your time. Hope this training video is useful for learning VISKAR BIM. Please feel free to share your comments and suggestions through the VISKAR customer portal.